bypass malakas.
What up mga bossing? Welcome back. Para sa'yo, sino ang pinaka sa dalawa na to? Mikey or Cobra? Ganito ang gusto kong mangyari mga bossing. Panoorin nyo ng maigi yung video, intindihin nyo, i-analyze nyo kung sino yung pinaka at kung bakit at kung sa anong parte nakakalamang si ganito, si ganyan. So gusto kong makita yung comment nyo sa comment section, dun tayo magkita-kita. Simulan na natin. Kay Mikey muna tayo. Real name Sano Manjiro. Ang aktor naman ay si Ryo Yoshizawa. Si Mikey mga bossing mula pagkabata, tinetrain na siya ng lolo niya ng martial arts. Itong si Mikey ay mayroong dual personality. Lumalabas ang alter ego niya na kung tawagin ay Dark Impulse kapag galit na talaga siya. Ito yung parang nawawala siya sa sarili niya na hindi siya maawat ng kahit na sino. Si Mikey kagaya din ng ibang bidang delinquent, prodigy siya ng traditional combat. Ito yung hindi gumagamit ng weapon. Kagaya lang din sa iba. Ang signature move niya is roundhouse kick yata yung tawag doon. Pero yung sa kanya sobrang bilis at sobrang lakas. Mas madalas niyang gamitin itong panimula kasi maliit lang si Mikey. Bansot lang din siya. So kahit malaki yung kalaban, pag ginamit niya yung kick niya na yon, taob kung tatamaan. Pero kung magaling din yung kalaban, syempre, hindi basta-basta makakatama, di ba? Ang pinakamalakas na atake mula kay Mikey is yung mga sipa talaga niya. Parang si Todoroki lang din. Ano sa palagay nyo? Kaya-kayang saluhin ni Fujio ang sipa ni Mikey kagaya ng pagsalo niya sa sipa ni Maguroko ng Susuran at ni Todoroki. Anyway, ayon kay Fujio, mas malakas yung sipa ni Todoroki kesa kay Maguroko. Hindi natin maibigay yung buong impormasyon tungkol sa laban ni Mikey kasi anime yung iba. Yung ibang kinukumpara kasi natin wala namang anime. Kagaya ni Cobra. Iba kasi sa anime mga boss eh. So sa live action lang tayo. Si Mikey mga bossing kapag lumabas na yung alter ego niya na Dark Impulse, wala na siyang awa. Handa na siyang pumatay. Kung sa tibay naman matibay syempre. Kita nyo naman hinampas na siya ng tubo sa ulo pero nagawa niya pa ring bumangon ng mas malakas pa. Sa agility naman hindi ganun kataas yung agility ni Mikey. Madalas siyang tamaan ng kalaban. Pero kahit madalas siyang tamaan, kayang-kaya naman niyang i-absorb yun. Dahil mataas ang durability niya. Pero syempre, depende pa rin kung sino yung susuntok sa kanya or sisipa. Ang pinakamapanganib na parte kay Mikey is yung Dark Impulse talaga niya. Pero hindi natin sinasabi dito na once na lumabas yun, sure win na. Syempre, depende pa rin sa kalaban. Kung mangyayari ito sa universe ng Tokyo Revengers, sigurado, panalo si Mikey. Pero ang inilalaban kasi natin is nasa ibang universe. So, mahirap tukuyin kung iepekto ito sa mga pagkukumparahan natin. Kasi yung ikukumpara natin na galing sa ibang universe, hindi rin basta-basta. Kaya ewan ko ba sa mga request nyo, ang hihirap. Pero subukan natin, di ba? Opinion nyo pa rin naman yung susundin nyo. Okay, panoorin natin tong ilang mga clip na natitira sa laban ni Mikey.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last and to believe in what you do.
So ayun mga bossing, kay Cobra naman tayo. Yung Cobra, code name lang niya yon. Ang real name niya sa high and low is Junpei Hino. Sa tunay na buhay naman, siya si Takanori Iwata. Itong karakter na to, kilalang kilala nyo na to actually. May video na tayo ni Cobra tungkol sa ganitong bagay. Yung video natin dito na who's the strongest leader in sword. Anyway, babanggitin ko pa rin yung ilan tungkol sa fighting prowess ni Cobra. Hindi naman siguro lingid sa kaalaman nating lahat dito na si Cobra ang pinakamalakas sa grupo niya sa Sano Hoodlum Squad. And yung combat skill niya is nahasa binabasa yon nung mga panahon niya sa Mugen. Isa sa nag-train sa kanya at kay Yamato ay yung dalawang magkapatid na Ota at Konishi. So na-improve yung ano niya doon, wrestling and grappling style. Again, sa lakas, malakas, mabilis din, agility, mataas din, endurance, mataas din. Special skill, wrestling and grappling. Ayun lang muna ang masasabi ko tungkol kay Cobra dahil may video na tayo tungkol sa kanya and nagbabalak akong maggawa ng video tungkol sa buong kwento ng karakter niya. Well, panoorin muna natin tong mga laban niya. Kung hindi kayo nagsasawang manood ng mga laban niya, panoorin niyo ulit.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.